And then, the highlight of the trip arrived. It was time to meet Dr. Abdul Kalam.
Dr. Kalam was our 11th president and is also a scientist. So I want to meet him and I also want to become a successful scientist like him.
My question is that what is the most inspirational incident that happened to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam when he was a child of my age?
According to you, which is the best invention science has done to benefit mankind?
TV. I'm APJ Abdul Kalam. Ask. No, seriously, ask.
So, what is nuclear energy and why are people so scared of it?
Next question. I am APJ Abdul Kalam. Ask me.
When the gates to Dr. Kalam's residence cum office opened, the kids could feel butterflies in their stomach. There had never been an opportunity like this before. They could feel the nervousness and excitement building. And finally, he arrived.
Good evening. How are you? Greeting. What's your name? Poonam.
Yes.
Which class?
5th.
5th class. You?
Pashang.
Huh?
Pashang.
Pashang. Which class?
6th.
You're a good fellow.
Yes.
Very good. You're a good girl.
Yes.
Say yeah.
Yes.
Karthikeyan Vasudevan, 9th standard.
Ninth standard.
Yeah.
Very good. Which school?
Bombay Scottish.
Hi. How are you?
My name is Sebastian Santi.
The children were charmed by Dr. Kalam sitting right there in front of them and chatting like an old friend. He was interested to know their thought process and decided to quiz them a little.
We are the earth fellow. Earth rotates own axis.
Yes.
Much time? How much time it takes? What?
24 hours.
Very good children. 24 hours. Okay. Now earth fellow orbits around the sun. Okay? Isn't it?
Yes.
How much time it takes?
365 and a 1/4 days.
Very good. Now I'm giving you a small problem. Okay? You told me I'm in the earth. So earth orbits around the sun. Okay? Earth orbits around the sun.
Yes.
Myself, Kalam, I am in the 79th orbit around the sun. 79th
Orbit.
around the, what's my age?
79 years.
79 years. Yeah.
79.
79.
It's
You?
just going to get completed.
You are coming very close. Going to be completed. Then what is the age?
Then
78.
This girl got it. You got it. 78.
My question is, what is nuclear energy and why people are so scared of it?
Well, nuclear energy refers to energy from within the atom. When you split, it can be of two forms. One, nuclear energy comes out of fission. That's what we use power generation, electricity, fission. And another, fusion. These are two types. Fission refers to the energy which comes out when atomic nucleus splits into smaller parts. Okay? Then energy released. Whereas the fusion refers to the reaction when the multiple atomic nuclei combine in a single heavy nucleus. One is connecting together, that is fusion, another is splitting. Then when you split, you get a lot of energy. That's how power generated, nuclear bomb comes, all such things. Okay? We already have both civilian and strategic application of fission nuclear power. Okay? Already our atomic energy establishment, they generate power through fission process. And for fusion power, research is on how it can be used for generating electric power. A lot of research going on. When you all grow, probably you will work in the fusion research. Okay? How to generate the power through fusion. Since the source is radioactive, the source finally is radioactive, there are concerns on safety. That's a question you asked, concern and safety, which have been addressed by specialists. For example, we generate power, electricity through fission process, but we know finally how to safely the fuel, spent fuel can be stored without damage to the people or to the society.
Can you help me to see a rocket?
Well, definitely. You send a mail to me, okay? Send my mail, apj@abdulkalam.com. Normally, rockets are launched from Sriharikota, that is Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, close to Chennai. It's in Andhra Pradesh, that Sriharikota, and there our space launching station is there. When they launch a rocket, I will inform you. You go there, they will show you, okay?
My question is that can bloom box be an alternative source of energy?
See, bloom box, nothing bad. I think it is ceramic plates, series of ceramic plates coated with some material. That is probably is a patented, coated with material. It is called power plant in a box, okay? The power plant in a box, because a bloom box the size of an average milk carton can have enough electric power to power up 4 average homes or 1 average American home. The bloom box with the size of an average refrigerator has enough power to manage 100 homes or 1 building. Bloom box, I think it was launched somewhere February 24, 2010 this year. And what would you find inside is amazing. Bloom box is a fuel cell where ceramic and proton membranes are organized. They put a cheap metal alloy instead of platinum. Slowly methane and oxygen are injected and the whole thing boils up to 1000 degrees. One heat generated, then this is actually produces electricity. But it's costly. Now it is costly. It has to brought down, the cost is brought down. And bloom box is a fuel cell. Actually, it's a fuel cell which may have a promising future, but it needs to bring down the cost, very, very high cost today. It's at brought less than $3,000. In order to make bloom box cotton neutral, it's important to use biofuel. Now they are using the petrol, gas and all. The biofuel, then it becomes a clean energy. Biofuel means what? It can be jatropha, it can be algae, These materials we use should be a clean bloom box.